Okay, so I'm terrible at making videos. As you can see, there's always like a huge 2-week gap, but I've been really busy. Even my friends have been really busy. But so I have been having this problem with my Jetta where it was like a big vacuum leak, and I was getting full boost, but then it would drop down to 6, and sometimes when you would hit full boost and drop down, it would just go to wastegate, which is 4 psi. So I'm driving with 4 psi, and the vacuum's going crazy. It's going from freaking 23 all the way to 0, 23 to 0. So it sounds like I have this huge freaking cam in my car. It's kind of fun, but then my car randomly stall out. It's not really fun. But so I checked all the vacuum hoses. I checked all the vacuum hoses and they were fine. I was like, what the fuck? I had a huge exhaust leak that I noticed, and again, I was busy, so eventually I went to go fix it, put a new gasket in. And when you work on cars, nothing really goes as planned. So I was loosening the nuts off of the turbo studs. And it was going easy, and I'm like, okay, this, I loosened all the nuts, and I'm like, okay, this one should come out soon. This stud just snapped in half and fell, really easy. It just fell. It wasn't like I had pressure on it and just snapped it. It literally just fell off. I'm like, are you fucking serious? Same with the next one. Same with the other one. There's only one that was in there, and I'll show you. So at that point, I'm like, shit, I'm trying to get these studs out with vice grips. Me and my friends are, and it just wasn't working. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to take the turbo off. So I end up taking the turbo off, which was a pain in the dick. I hate these cars. We found out that it was the turbo to the manifold gasket there was a leak there, and I think that was the source of my problem. With the boost leak, and I think one of my friends said they searched up something online and it said that can cause vacuum too if there's a leak there. So I ordered new gaskets and everything. I'm waiting on that to come today. So hopefully that's the source of my problem. All new gaskets all the way around, exhaust, turbo, everything. And I'll show you. Okay, so clearly I have the turbo out. Right here. Right there is where it mounts. I don't know if you can see. Let me try to get it. Right here is where it mounts. It mounts right under this thing right here. There's 3 bolts. There's 1, 2, as you can see, the holes, and then there's one further back, kind of making a triangle, a right angle triangle, I believe. And yeah. So I got the intake stuff off. Got all the lines and shit off, and I'll show you the underside too. There's the part of the intercooler piping. Let's go to a turbo. So there's the turbo. It's only dirty because of I had a valve cover gasket when I bought the car. I had a valve cover gasket. I had a valve cover leak because of the gasket was bad when I bought the car. So oil kind of went everywhere and kind of got by the turbo. No shaft play at all. My battery's dying. I'm kind of pissed about that. But anyway, so that's the only stud that remained out of the 4. And my friend got all the studs out. And I'm very thankful for him for doing that. That was really nice. So this is my K03S turbo. Here's a down pipe. I cleaned it up a bit, the outside, so there's not going to be, no gasket makers on there anymore. The RTV shit. And yeah, I'll show you the underside soon. My camera's gonna die, so I might have to charge it. Okay, so I'm under the car now. I don't know if you can see. I don't have the best flashlight. So that's where the turbo would be. That's where it was leaking from, right in there. So I bought one of those gaskets, and I hope it's not leaking anymore. Yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like under. Oil spilled out, obviously, when I was taking the turbo off, and coolant did, so it's a little wet under here. But for the most part, this car is like extremely clean under here. I got more gasket maker off of this, so it's mint now. I've just been cleaning up anything that oil really got on. I need to clean up this, but I'll do that after I install it. Everything, like I said, everything's pretty mint. No leaks, other than, I mean, there shouldn't be any more leaks. The only leak I had was from the valve cover. This car is, I really love this car. It's pretty clean. Yeah, hopefully I can mount it today. I'm waiting for those gaskets, but UPS takes fucking forever. I had to put a new axle in a little bit ago. I got that in. It's working amazingly, mint. There's my second turbo. I got Coil Overs. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. This fucking light blows cock. They've been working extremely well. I love them. Let me show you the back. Can't really get under there, but there they are. I put them on probably like close to a month ago, and they've been working extremely well. I got their RSK, and I gotta say, for what they are, because my friends are like, well, if you want to go low, just buy them. They're like $260 on eBay. I searched them up. Everyone says they work amazingly, like good for the price, and I put them on, and I mean, I've been in high quality ones, and I'm not like gonna say they ride the same, but like they're really comfortable for wanting to be low, and they dropped it a lot. Like I still have a lot to go in the front, and I'm tucking hard. Only reason I can't go lower is because of my oil pan, which I'm probably gonna have to get a new one soon. Just because I want to go lower. That's literally the only reason. I mean, it works mint. Nothing leaks. I don't know why I said nothing really, but nothing leaks from it. Everything's 100% good. I'm going to order a wideband and go stage 2. Also, I forgot to add that in. I'm going to go stage 2 right after I put the turbo in and there's no leaks, and if it fixes the problem, boom. Getting the wideband, going to stage, oh, not stage 2, stage 1 actually. Stage 2 will probably be next paycheck, because it's not expensive at all to go to stage 2, so I'll probably do that. I also cleaned my intake manifold. I'm really happy about it. So this is the turbo exhaust gasket. You can definitely tell that's where I was leaking from, and the bottom. So just fucked. So I ordered that. This is the oil return. It wasn't leaking at all, but I just ordered another one just because, I mean, it's like $3. Might as well just buy a new one. And yeah, that was the source of my problem. I'm like 99.9% sure, because all my vacuum lines are mint, and everything else is just 100% right. So yeah. So again, I'm just gonna end it now, and hopefully we have more stuff to come. Oh, Monday there's a two-step competition at a car meet, and my friend's gonna bring his Fox body that he worked really fucking hard on, and that thing is just amazing, and I can't wait to show you guys how that's gonna be. Like, we're definitely gonna win that shit. That's gonna be the best thing ever. I'm really excited to go, but I'll probably upload that Monday night, maybe. No, because I'll be probably working on the turbo probably like Tuesday, Wednesday. It's gonna be fucking sick, and I can't wait. So see you then.
3, 2, 1.